You've probably seen Ollie Toothpaste all over social media lately, with people claiming it can strengthen enamel, whiten teeth, and even repair damage naturally. But does hydroxyapatite actually work? Or is this just another trendy toothpaste going viral online? Because honestly, a lot of people are confused about this ingredient right now. Some say it's better than fluoride. Others say it's mostly marketing. So, in this video, we're breaking down the truth about Ollie Toothpaste. What hydroxyapatite really does, what real users are saying, and whether this toothpaste is actually worth buying in 2026. First, Ollie Toothpaste focuses heavily on nanohydroxyapatite, which is a mineral naturally found inside your teeth and enamel. That's why many people got interested in it so quickly. Because, unlike some trendy ingredients online, hydroxyapatite is actually connected to real dental science. The idea behind it is helping support enamel and reduce sensitivity over time, especially by smoothing tiny surface imperfections on the teeth. Now, honestly, this is where many users say they notice the biggest difference. A lot of people online mention less sensitivity, smoother feeling teeth, and a cleaner mouth feel after a few weeks, especially people who normally struggle with cold drinks or sensitive teeth. Now, another reason this toothpaste became popular is because many users wanted an alternative to aggressive whitening products. Because unlike peroxide whitening, hydroxyapatite does not bleach the teeth dramatically. Instead, it focuses more on surface smoothing and enamel support, which may make teeth look cleaner and brighter gradually. So if you expect instant Hollywood white teeth overnight, you will probably end up disappointed. Now let's talk about the formula itself. Because many people like that, Ollie focuses on a more modern, clean oral care style formula, especially compared to harsher whitening toothpastes. And honestly, that's one reason the product connects well with younger audiences online. Now here's something important. Hydroxyapatite is not fake science. There are real studies suggesting it may help with enamel remineralization and sensitivity support, but at the same time, many dentists still consider fluoride the stronger long-term option for cavity prevention. So honestly, the internet sometimes exaggerates the fluoride replacement debate way too much. Now let's talk about the negatives, because no toothpaste is perfect. First, Ollie is definitely more expensive than normal toothpaste brands, and for some people that alone becomes hard to justify long-term, especially because the improvements are usually gradual, not dramatic. Now, another thing people mention, the whitening effect is fairly mild. Some users love the cleaner feeling, while others say they expected more visible whitening results. And honestly, both reactions make sense depending on expectations. Now let's be honest for a second. Ollie Toothpaste seems like a real product with legitimate ingredients. Not some fake internet scam, but social media definitely makes the results sound more dramatic than they usually are. Most people are not suddenly transforming their teeth overnight. The realistic improvements most users mention are better sensitivity, control, smoother teeth, and subtle cosmetic improvement over time. So, to wrap this up, Ollie Toothpaste may actually be a solid option if you want a gentler toothpaste, hydroxyapatite ingredients, or less sensitivity. But honestly, if your goal is extreme whitening or major dental transformation, this probably will not completely change your life. And like most dental products, Consistency matters way more than internet hype. Tantrui.